Hey, what's up y'all? It's Kennedy Simone here and I am back again with another Vlogmas. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to be a part of Ken's crew, cause we're the best crew. But yeah, so it is later on. I was editing all day today and I got my flu shot since I didn't get it yesterday. But yeah, so me and my family are gonna have a little family bonding night or whatever. We're going bowling and everybody thinks they're gonna win, but we all know who's gonna win. Foreshadowing. No, but yeah, so I am just finished ready. I mean, I didn't really get cute. I actually didn't get cute at all, but yeah, I just wearing this headband that matched my little gray shirt, this little scarf, and this cardigan, and some jeans. But yeah, so I'm about to just head on. They gonna be still doing stuff whenever I get up there, but it's all right. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can at the bowling alley. So yeah, family bonding night. Isn't this cute? So we're at the bowling alley. Walking in. Oh. The cool kid shoes.
We lost, y'all. We lost.
My dad's a bowling coach, so this should be interesting.
Might let you win.
You gonna let us win?
Might let you win. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna go get my ball.
Gotta put on these crazy looking shoes. These are actually really unsanitary, but hey. Actually, they're not that bad, actually.
I'll put my stuff right here.
I think they're gonna be a little bit too big. Got the kicks on, you already know. Bye. The bread. They need somebody to be here for you. The bread 18s. For a while. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, mama. Don't miss the seat. Okay. So apparently my mom took bowling in college. And she knows how to do a hook shot. And my dad apparently is a great bowling coach. He got his ball already. He prepared. He looked like he about to be serious. I got a good small 7-pound ball. You know, real light and easy. Ooh, my arm hurt from that flu shot. So, how you think you're gonna do?
You shoot for first.
He said you shoot for first. So it's gonna be my mom, then my brother, then me, and then my dad. That's the order. You did the order already? Cam, you did the order already? Yeah. Oh, he did it already. But yeah. I'm about to win. Catch me on the other side. You lost. Not you got 2 balls.
Everybody got
I can't. Everybody got 2 balls except for me because simplicity is key. Oh my God. He got the Omega head on. I can't. Oh, we gotta do our name.
Oh no, you can't do that, Cameron. That's too many. Come on, Cameron.
Okay, so it only shows the first initial, but it's my mom, me.
At the bottom. Yeah,
I mean, my mom, Cameron, me, and my dad. Uh-oh. Here's my mom. I'm dead. Oh my gosh. The excuses. I can't.
Count.
Oh my God. I can't. She got 1. She only has 1 pen left, y'all. No, 1.
2.
1. Look at it.
It's staggered. It's staggered.
Oh, it's 2. It's 2. It's 2. Okay, y'all. I don't have my glasses on.
Listen to the bullet jar. It's a sleeper pen. Look at your mom.
Oh my God. Too far. Too far. That was good though.
She bowled before.
I'm dead.
Y'all didn't believe
All right, here, Cameron.
Cameron gonna get lucky.
Oh goodness, his is straight down the middle. He got 1 left. Or is it 2? Is it 1 or 2? I can't see it. My dad, all these fancy terms he using. All right, let's see. His second run. Oh God, he went the wrong way. Oh.
It's alright, it's alright. I'll say back, say back.
Kennedy, you know. Kennedy.
So me and Mama tie right now.
Oh, I'm supposed to get 2 balls. Now I gotta wait. You can use one of mine.
Go down the middle.
Oh my goodness.
You did good. That was a hook shot.
You can't cross the line now.
Yeah, you cheating. You cheating. You crossing the line.
You were stepping on it.
She was on it. She was on it. She was on it.
Okay, be careful.
Just wait till your ball goes back.
It's coming.
It's coming. There you go.
Yeah, you did good. Yeah, you did good with your ball.
Now go to the right. Stand to the right.
The blue one. The blue one. The green one and the pink one. Yeah.
Stay in there.
No, come on back.
Oh my goodness. She threw it. She threw it down the lane.
You know, still beating them, so.
You're not. It's all tied up.
Oh, it is tied up. It's 999. 9. All right, here's the professional. Oh, dear. Oh, God. That was terrible. That was terrible. That was terrible. He had the most. Look, no, he got the most left. He got 3.
Beat all of us.
He probably will have a spare.
This man beat all of us.
I'm dead. Ah, dang.
We lost.
Only about 1 point, huh? Or is a spare more?
10 plus the next ball. 10.
I don't know what that means.
You get 10 points plus the next your next roll.
Yeah, so he already winning right now.
Basically.
Oh.
He already winning.
Well, we know that.
Right plus the next 2 rolls.
Unless we get some strikes.
Oh. Not that form. She hit 1.
I feel like I'm gonna slip. Not that this is my queen, but we're gonna have at the end of the game, whoever throws the most gutter ball, the gutter ball either king or queen.
Oh goodness. I told him, I said, oh, you got your shot in your left arm, and now you're gonna blame it on the flu shot, but he blows with his right hand.
The third arrow.
He's left-handed though. This is me right now.
Yeah, I had no curve on it.
But my dad, he hasn't had his score yet. So Cameron is losing.
I'm gonna shake back for sure.
What'd you say?
I'm gonna shake back for sure.
Oh God. That's what he said. That's it, Daddy. Oh my God, this is terrible. Yeah, he's definitely gonna win, but it's all right.
It's early.
Oh, you only got 16.
No, he got 2 spares.
Oh, so it's gonna add up after the next one.
Oh,
Everything too heavy. She complained about her arm aching.
Once you put the ball back, the way the ball
My mama said, she said it's time for a strike. Okay, let's. Oh, it might be.
That's it. Unless it's a split.
It was a strike. Well, let me speak it. Oh God, ew, gross. He forgot to put his shoes on. He said, I sure don't. He forgot. Oh, this is the funniest game of life, y'all. This is the funniest game. So, I got 2nd place, 82. My dad has 1 more thing to go. He has a whole round to go, but he definitely won. But I got 2nd. Everybody salty. How you feel? How you feel?
I'm gonna shake back.
25 cent notes. I lost y'all. This is me. This is my brother and my dad. Oh gosh. The winner of both times.
The first shall be last and the last shall be first.
Oh God. He was last in the first game and first in the last game. Oh, he talked about Omega. So yeah, we're done. Hey y'all, so I had to run inside. They were lollygagging, but we're at Applebee's, just something quick to eat as a family. Here they go.
She said, I know you're gonna get a good burger. I said,
Ooh, I really want an appetizer. So I think I'm going to get Caesar salad, then spinach and artichoke dip, and then the bourbon street chicken and shrimp. It looks so good. I love these potatoes. No mushroom though. I don't like mushroom.
And we'll eat it. The table will eat it. Kimmy, what are you doing?
Bless us as we nourish our bodies. Help us to give us strength to be our will. In Jesus Christ's name I pray.
Amen.
And Dad's salad.
I didn't have my burger.
Just to dip it.
Okay, demolished.
Okay, bye.
It was good, boy.
She said she's been looking at it. She must not have seen it.
My bourbon chicken street shrimp and yeah.
flop time.
Okay, so what are you saying?
A truck drove to a village and met 4 cars. How many vehicles were going to the village?
You got to put it in there?
5.
Go the other way. You didn't do it.
All the way over here?
Wrong.
Wait, say that one more time. This is one of those Instagram things where you say blah 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 blah. I lost 2 at.
Do it back and forth.
A truck drove to a village and met 4 cars. How many vehicles were going to the village?
4. 5. Wait, a truck met 4 at a village. 5.
Y'all hear the question?
Tell us again.
A truck drove to a village
Right.
and met 4 cars.
Right.
How many vehicles are going to the village?
1.
1.
That's a math.
That is not math. This is
Yeah,
that is not math.
that A and the A and the train.
No, it's not. If you say no.
What travels around the world staying in the same corner?
What travels around the world?
Staying in the same corner.
I've heard this one, but I'm not gonna say it. You want me to say it?
Yes.
What goes around the world?
A stamp.
Oh, in the same corner. That's it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, me and my family bonding, and you know, going bowling, me beating them, even though I didn't beat them, but it's all right. And maybe next time. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to come back tomorrow, share this video with your friends, all that good stuff, because it's Vlogmas. I'm gonna be vlogging every single day and posting a new video every single day until Christmas. I've already done like 15 of them, so check out all the other ones. After you finish this one, comment down below your favorite thing to do with your family when y'all are bonding and all that good stuff. I would really like to know. I'll be chatting down there with y'all. Y'all know who the people who comment. Y'all know I always reply back, everything. So I really hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.